Today we're reviewing the ZAFIED, the provider. It's a foldable seat, 30-degree angle, up to 500 pounds, under 5 minutes of inflate time. We're going to show you what this product is about. The ZAFIED is a seat for your kayak, canoe. It takes 2 to 5 psi with a cushion and design, 30 degrees. We're going to align it up to the center. We have the hooks, D-rings that we're going to hook up on each of the side, over here, and on the opposite side as well. We have an additional hook that secures down for extra security. Repeat for the opposite side the same way. As it stretches and locks into place, you have your paddleboard, canoe, kayak ready to go. Adjust your straps accordingly, and off we go canoeing. All the straps are adjusted. We're ready to go into the water. We're set up to go. And give you an overhead look how it sits on the paddleboard, the SUP, with its logo and mesh net in the back for your lunch and accessories. We're setting up to go in. What it looks like on the board. The seat, up to 500 pounds. And we're able to go out and paddle. Paddleboard. Enjoy paddling with the ZAFIED paddleboard, back, support, and seat. When taking apart, simply in reverse order, remove your clips. It's foldable with the mesh in the back. Over here is your release valve, open, pull or push. It releases the air and takes a couple of minutes to pump up. On the opposite side, you have the same valve, push, and releases the air. We'll show you how to pump this up, and off we go. With an optional pump, the supplied pieces to pump, place on, set to 5 psi, and you're ready to inflate in no time. Pump up. Release and close. In under 5 minutes time, your seats are inflated and you're ready to go out again. ZAFIED makes a kayak, paddleboard, SUP, back seat, and base. It comes packaged, wrapped. We have some tools to go over, an instruction guide, a patch kit, and tool. You have an insulated seat in brown, blue, a white, and a silver. You have large hooks, and you have an adjustment to make. To blow up the back seat and base, unscrew and pump. Standard bike pumps and the attachment screws on, so it allows you to pump up if you don't have an SUP pump. For any leaks, you have the tool to grab and tighten and loosen with the arrows, CW, CCW. This tool is for valve adjustments to tighten and loosen up, as well as screw. If any holes, you have a patch kit, glue not included. ZAFIED, portable canoe, kayak, SUP, backboard, seat with base. 2 to 5 psi, up to 500 pounds with skid proof and a wood design. Blue, white with silver and a mesh. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.